How to avoid oxidation in craft beer. The oxidation reaction of beer has adverse effects on beer. After the beer is over-oxidized, the aroma is light, the color is dark, and it is bitter when drinking. Therefore, it is necessary to take corresponding measures to implement the control. Choose high-quality malt. Malt with high water content is more likely to form oxidation. It is recommended to use the crushed malt as soon as possible, half an hour before preparing the mashed water. The content of copper ions and iron ions in brewing water is controlled in a low range to avoid oxidation reaction. The mashing process generates a vortex of sucked air by controlling the stirring frequency. The pouring time should be reasonable, about 10 to 15 minutes. When purchasing equipment, choose the right size work pump and do not filter for too long. Choose the appropriate size plate heat exchanger and control the work cooling time within 50 minutes. When canning, choose a reasonable canning machine and try to vacuum twice. The vacuum degree of the wine valve reaches 80% to 90%. Minimize the increase in dissolved oxygen during canning. The design of the brewing equipment or the operation technology will affect the oxidation of the beer. Therefore, reasonable implementation of oxidation control measures to reduce the degree of oxidation